When we go out there, put this in your mind, that our mission is to create successful entrepreneurs.
Lahat ng kinukwento ni Coach AJ, nakikita ko nang nangyayari sa akin. Vision.
Making positive impact on people's lives.
Bakit hindi kami napapagod? Result takes time. Doon po nagbago lahat.
It's very fulfilling to see other people grow. Yun po sana yung maging mindset natin dito. Maging mindset natin, maging masaya ka sa ibang tao. At magiging masaya rin sila para sa iyo.
Naintindihan ko yung sinabi ni na Coach nung na-meet ko sila, nung in-introduce ni Ate Norts. Meron yung mother ko, nag-effect agad within 3 days. So, tuloy-tuloy na akong nag-join.
Work as a team. Kasi mas madali kumilos kung may kasama ka na nag-reach ng goal mo at yung isang vision mo.
Feel ho natin yung family ho dito. Kahit hindi natin kaano-ano, dito ho sa ALB, nandito yung family.
Share lang po tayo, sir, kasi marami po tayong matutulungan lalo sa kalusugan.
Yung kanyang nana, after 2 weeks ng CT scan, yung 3 cm po talagang bumaba, 0.09. Hindi na po ako nagpatumpik-tumpik, I buy the 5 bucks. Then, until now,
$5.
Have compassion for people. No, hindi lang yung sarili, yung iniisip, no?
We will turn you into entrepreneurs na successful at leaders na values-based while happily living your purpose and living your best life.
ang kayani sa aking pamilya, malaki ang naitulong talaga sa akin. Nagbibigay sa amin ng parang kaginhawaan sa aming buhay.
Passing the mission to others, kailangan yung kung ano yung natutunan ho natin, i-share din ho natin.
Your vision on your business will determine how you will work on it.
You need to innovate. No? Any types of business needs innovation.
Ano yung problema ninyo na gusto nyong malunasan pagdating sa kalusugan ngayon din?
For you to do action, you have to value what you do.
One chance at best, yes. Painting pictures for the culture, keep the brushes fresh. Flip the camera, work the drummer, passion never rest. Freedom is a teacher under pressure, now we blessed. See, I was so good, really good.
Real, yun po, kung ano kasi yung binivision ho natin, yun yung nagkakatotoo.
It's one all, one shot, now the future is yours. Go!
In a world brimming with possibilities and fueled by innovation, having a vision is the first bold step towards greatness. But a vision, no matter how brilliant, remains a mere dream without the fuel of action. And that, my friends, is where our collective journey begins.
Pag nasa momentum ka, hatawin mo. Wag mong hahayaan, wag mong bibitawan yung momentum mo na yan. At hindi ka makakaligtas sa storming stage.
You will go out of this place positive. Pero when you go out there, I'm telling you, you will experience negative and opposite reaction. Tama ba?
At kung ano yung gusto nyo mangyari sa buhay nyo, simulan nyo ngayon. Mag-desisyon kayo consistently. Let's do something for us to have consistent result.
Vision to action. Ibig sabihin, mabilis. Mabilis, kaagad. Maremedyo.
Would you believe na I'm a cancer patient survivor? Bumili na ako agad ng yung builder's pack kasi gusto kong mag-recover. Ibig sabihin, normal na, wala nang mga cysts. Na-regenerate, na-restore.
Yeah.
Yes.
While the vision lights the path, it's our actions that pave the way.
Pag pinatakas ako, tatlong extreme, nandun yung effect talaga na yung tigas, sumanggod. Wow, magic! Amazing!
Pinapagana ko yung sistema sa negosyo ko. Hindi ko nilalampasan yung sistema. Yung sistema yung mataas sa akin.
When you do not know how to do something, start. Beware of paralysis of analysis.
Save them. Bring them to ALB. And we will help them become productive.
Kasi habang may buhay po, may pag-asa.
So kung kayo po, no, hindi nyo po maabot yung gusto yung vision, just do something that you can leave as a legacy.
Be a self-starter. Do it now.
You have the power to turn things around. You have the power and ability na ayusin yung situation mo by just changing the way you view things.
Alam niyo pa, lahat pa kami starts with letter M. Ibig po sabihin yun, multi-millionaire.
And lastly, start with what you've got.
ALB!